Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the PS5 side panels. While the wings that serve as the side covers for the PS5 may look a little weird, they actually make the components of the console much more easily accessible and open up the door for users to easily customize the exterior of their consoles. Removing the PS5 side panels can be done quickly with no special tools. In this video, I'll show you how to remove and replace the PS5 side covers. First, let's walk through how to remove the PlayStation 5 side panels. Step 1. Remove the base stand from your PS5 if you're using it on your console. If the base stand is holding your PS5 up horizontally, you can just pull it off the back. Alternatively, if your PS5 is positioned vertically, you'll need to remove a screw from the bottom before sliding it off. Step 2. Locate the PS5 logo on the top back corner of your console where the console starts to get skinny in the back. Step 3. Lay your PS5 flat on the ground with the logo positioned on the opposite side from you. Step 4. Position your left hand on the back of the console and press gently to prevent the console from sliding back. Use your right hand to grab under the back corner of the cover where the PS5 logo is located. Lift gently, roughly 1/4 inch, and then push the cover toward the back of the console using your right hand. The cover will slide off. Step 4. Very carefully turn your console over and repeat this process to remove the cover on the other side. With the covers removed, you have access to the memory bay, Blu-ray drive, 2 holes that give you easy access to special dust catchers so you can vacuum dirt out of your console, and more. Now let's look at how to replace your PS5 side panels. Step 1. I'd recommend starting with the panel with the PlayStation logo on it since it's the easiest to identify. You can identify which side of your console this goes on by looking at the top back corners and finding the side with the silhouette of the PlayStation logo. Step 2. Lay the cover on that side of the console, making sure to place the PlayStation logo on the cover over the PlayStation logo on the physical console and wiggling it around until you feel the hooks on the cover rest into their positions. Step 3. Position one hand on the bottom of the console to support it and hold it into place, and then push the cover down toward the bottom of the console. You'll hear and feel the console snap into place. Step 4. Very carefully turn your console over and repeat this process to replace the cover on the other side, and replace the base stand on your PS5 accordingly. Let me know what you like and don't like about the PS5 in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.